vlogging with the Z Fold8 today. Cheers! Cheers!
Wait, that wasn't rolling, girl!
No!
Good day, you beautiful people. Guess what? I finally have the goods. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my day one experiences with the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold8, battery, camera, all the new form factor quirks. I actually can't wait to test this out and show you, so let's unbox. Now that I have it to touch and to hold, I'd say that this new Z Fold8 form factor is so nice in hand. I feel like it's just more balanced than any other older Fold form factor. It's also way more comfortable to hold with my tinier hands. And unfolding, folding, still very satisfying. So here's how my home screen looks like. And here's how apps typically look on this phone. So you see that your social feed is formatted for this wider form factor, but when you tap the reels, you see the whole vertical view, and I like that because you have more space. Now these buttons are not on the video itself and you get to see more of the video actually. Now this is where the magic happens. Unfolded, you get that wide view screen and then you can turn it vertically, and I feel like that looks way better, and then you just get a bigger view. Of course, this way YouTube videos actually look amazing, but the magic happens when you do this, and now you have your horizontal video view. You have more stuff on the side, you have more stuff under. It's just a pretty efficient use of space. On top of that, you have multiple multitasking options. So you have split screen, you have picture-in-picture. You can literally have your YouTube video playing while you're taking down notes on the other app. This is a multitasking powerhouse. Another thing that I will point out though is that typing on this phone is super nice because the screen is wider, you have more space. I feel like if I had long nails, it wouldn't be an issue typing on this. It also sort of reminds me of typing on a BlackBerry, and even like horizontally on this, you get that wider keyboard. So that feels nice as well. Anyway, let's move on to the cameras. For context, this phone reps dual 50 megapixel shooters on the back here. That's a 50 megapixel main and a 50 megapixel wide. And then you get a 10 megapixel selfie camera up front here and another one here. Let's go out and get to the vlog.
Hi!
Where are we? Hi! That's a nice camera. Now, battery check, this 5,000 milliamp hour battery at 11 a.m. is at 87%. I charged it up and started using it at approximately 7 a.m. this morning. On this vlog, I will be on this phone mainly as I vlog with it as well. Cover screen on this is good for vlogging, but the thing is, to do the cover screen and vlog, you'd have to unfold the phone, which is hard if you have tiny hands and if you do if you have girl grip and you always have like a lot of things on you. But otherwise, look at this view. It's cool. I'm also looking at the screen and not the camera, so.
Can you just tell me, Ella? Well, they did some beheadings here.
And this is the bridge because Ella said it's the bridge. Ooh, look at the views, and this is dual recording right now. Pretty useful. I feel like this is gonna be such a great feature for reaction stuff. We want to be shooting with the rear cameras because those are the best cameras on this phone. So we can shoot it like this, like a normal phone. And then for selfie videos, using these rear cameras, you can unfold the phone and use a cover screen as your preview. Now, shooting this way is great. However, However, it can be cumbersome because you will need two hands to do this. And sometimes with my girl grip and everything else I have in my hands, it's a little harder and it takes a little bit more time to unfold and turn on the preview, but you'll definitely get better quality when you shoot this way. Now, because I was shooting mostly with the rear cameras in the vlog, this is just a quick sample of what video looks like shot on that 10 megapixel selfie camera on the cover screen. This is 4K right now. And for good measure, this is now being shot on the 10 megapixel selfie camera on the inner screen, also 4K. Back to the vlog.
I'm shooting B-roll of me shooting B-roll. Let's go! Oh my gosh. Whoa! Girl!
There are fun features on the Z Fold 8 like dual recording. Now, this is not new on Samsung phones, but it's definitely fun doing it side by side with this new form factor. It just fits so well on the screen. We're also now getting that Samsung Ultra feature, the horizontal lock on this phone. So this means that you can get level video even if you're, well, a very active person and shooting while tumbling around. And then finally, there is the My Fan Cam feature, which I actually didn't get to test out on the vlog. There just wasn't any opportunity. But basically, it takes an existing horizontal video and allows you to pick a person, track that person, and then the phone automatically gives you a vertical vid from that. This is going to be so useful to many people. I know it already.
Yes! This is beautiful! Cheers! Friends, say hi. Hi!
Now, we all already know this from the previous folds, but shooting with your cover screen is actually so great for getting your photos taken. One thing we did notice, however, is that there is no flex mode on this fold, which makes me sad because I like the flex mode. We got home from the day's activities and at 7 p.m. I was at 19%. Not bad considering that, like, I was shooting the whole day. My camera usage was very intense and it lasted me throughout the day. Now, this phone can do 45-watt fast charging, so I topped up a little bit before we set out again and take more photos.
We're at the welcome dinner now and look at this place.
Unfortunately, on this vlog, I wasn't able to take a lot of low light shots. I'm in London right now and wow, the sun does not set till late and it rises so early in the morning, so I had such little opportunity to shoot in low light. I am flying out today and I will be testing this phone out more. Maybe in the next video, I'll show you guys more sample if that's something you want to see. Day one with the Samsung Z Fold 8. Personally, I'm already loving using this phone. Cameras are already quite impressive. I'm liking this new form factor thus far. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. below. As usual, let me know what you'd want to see me test out with this phone. I will, of course, also be shooting another video on the Samsung Z Flip 8 pink one. Stay tuned for that as well. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.